So 2023 is gearing up for an exciting close, and e-commerce sales are going to skyrocket. This time, AI makes it easy for you to jump in and get a piece of that. So it's time to get the ball rolling. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT Dalle 3, that whole situation with creating images, to see how you can jump on this bandwagon and close 2023 out with a bang, so you can start making some sales online and be a part of that e-commerce business that is skyrocketing in this quarter. So if you're excited for that, go ahead, let's jump into this video. So I shared a video on how ChatGPT has this new integration with Dalle now, right? So now you can add prompts into ChatGPT and created some exciting images. So I recently tested it out for myself and see how you can actually make money with this. So I went ahead and created an Etsy store just to test this thing out. But if this store works out, we got a new side business that we can do. So I want to walk you through how you can use ChatGPT to generate images, throw that on Etsy, and then be able to generate some sales so you can be a part of this exciting close that is happening now in 2023. We're going to jump into ChatGPT, and then we're going to take that image and take it into Canva, and I'm going to show you all of this. All right, so let's jump into my computer. All right, so first thing, you can see my ChatGPT right now. These are some images that I have generated, right? So here, we're going to go back into my list here. I'm going to show you some exciting images that I were able to create with ChatGPT. You see all of these right here are actually images that are now a part of a product that is on this new Etsy store. All right, so these reindeers are cool. See this? Like all this here is stuff that people are actually searching for on Etsy. So how do I know that people are searching for these things on Etsy? Because according to this tool that I recently came across that is called Insight Factory, there's some other tools like that all over the internet, but this one right here, I like how it works because it shows you like search volume. It tells you the little competition. It shows you all of those, right? So I'm gonna link it down below so you can check it out. But over here, it tells you everything that people are searching for on Etsy. And right now, you can see some of these, like this fire signal. That means the sales signal is fire right now, like minimum Christmas clip art. So people are looking for clip arts right now. All of these, you can see this one is great. Blue and white Christmas, blue and white watermark Christmas clip art. All right, so these search terms, people are looking for it right now because we're now into that last quarter where people are looking for these things. So step one now is going to be to jump into ChatGPT. And to do this, you need to have the Plus account. That means you're paying the monthly subscription for ChatGPT, and that's how you're able to see the Dalle 3 integration. So when we come over here and we'll hover over the GPT-4 tab, this drop down menu come up, we're going to click on Dalle right here. It's in beta right now, but man, this thing works great. All right, so based on your search results, you're going to search on Etsy, see what people are actually looking for. All right, so now our search term is going to be watercolor Christmas clip art, and let's see what Dalle brings out for us. I can already tell you I've been using this. I've already created 2 products with this, and I know people usually don't do this, right? But I'm actually gonna show y'all the products that I created on Etsy. A lot of people that create Etsy stores, they don't show you their store name because they don't want you to go and copy and mess up their sales. But because I'm testing this out, I'm going to show you the 2 products that I created on Etsy so you can see exactly how I did it. All right, so I'm going to jump in onto the Etsy store over here. All right, so right here is one of the products that I listed on Etsy from using ChatGPT, right? So you can see I have 40 blue Christmas PNG. All right, these are totally transparent, and right now, I'm putting them on sale for 70% off. So if you want to grab these, you can just go ahead and grab it, and you can use them commercially, right? You can sell these exact products right here. So you're going to use the link down below. Go ahead and check out this store, and let's see. I know y'all going to blow up my numbers and all that, but as long as you spend that $1, I'll be all right. All right, so let's go ahead. You can see how we set this up, right? You can see all the different products here. I got my product images here. Basically, I'm just showing the customer what they can get. Maybe people can screenshot this. I don't know. I don't care. I'm just going to show you everything everything step by step on how you can do the same exact thing. So we're back in ChatGPT, and as of the prompt that we put into it, this is what it brought out, right? You can see we got this one right here. It says watercolor painting of vibrant reef. All right, so it shows you 4 of them here. This one, these are all cool. These are good here. This one could be good. All right, so if you want to download this image right here, you just hit this download button right here, and it's going to download onto your computer. But what I want to do here, I'm going to actually take this prompt a bit further, right? So I'm going to say watercolor Christmas clip art of gold. All right, so this is the prompt we're going to use right here. Gold and white watercolor Christmas clip art on a white background with wintry vibe. Let's see what ChatGPT give us. It's important to put it on that white background so that you're able to cut that out in Canva and any other program that you're going to use. It's much easier for you to do that. And so this is what we got. We got some ornaments right here of our first one. You can see we got that gold and white ornament vibe. You got we have the prompt over here that we can copy and just do more. We got this one right here. We can copy that. We can download that. All of these are super cool. So all I'm going to do now, that's actually dope too. I'm going to hit the download button right here. I'm going to ask it for more. I wanted more of these, more of this style. It's just like talking to a graphic designer, man. Let's see what we can get. I like the reindeer. That reindeer was cool. All right, so it looks like we got 4 more. We got this Christmas tree right here. That's actually cool as well. And all of this, these are all dope, right? We got that gold vibe. This sled is good. I'm just going to download these again. Now we got 8 images out of our 30 pack that we're going to do. We just keep doing the same thing. Keep asking for more, or you can copy the prompt and ask for just the tree, right? So I'm going to copy this prompt right here, bring it back and paste this in. All right, so the prompt here, let's see what we can change up. It says on the white background, gold and white Christmas tree. Let's do another one. I'm going to actually let that prompt go in by itself because this time I want just Christmas trees. So if you found value to this video, go ahead, hit the like button one time for me. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget subscribe. We got a bunch of videos coming out right here so that you can be a part of this sales that's happening in this 4th quarter before the year end. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And again, hit that notification bell. Don't forget, like this video, share it with somebody else. All right. So remember, we changed up the prompt now. We only want to see Christmas trees. And these are what we got. We got 4 different types here, all gold vibes. This one is not ideal. We can't really use that. I like to have it in a way that I got space all around the image. This way, when I go ahead to remove the background, it's not cutting any part of the image out, right? So this one here is good. So we're going to download this. See everything fit in on the white background. So now we got these Christmas trees that we can add into our bundle there. I want more of the sled. Okay, that sled is dope. Let me know in the comments, what are some other Christmas decor that you can go ahead and add onto your shop. So, right, I'm going for the sled. I want to see more sleds. And then we're going to do probably reindeers. We can do some gingerbread house. These can all be different collections or items on your Etsy shop, but we'll try to group them in and do one gold bundle, and then we'll break them down and do a bundle of snowman, a bundle of reindeers, and break all of those down like that. All right, here we go. Boom. This is dope, right? You like that? This is exciting right here, y'all. We no longer have to spend time doing all this stuff that we did before. All right, so these are all cool. I'm going to download all of these. Please, I'm asking it to please give me some gingerbread house in the same gold and white style. All right, so we got our gingerbread houses here. We can go ahead and look through these, see which one we want. Maybe we want all 4 of them, right? If you don't like any of them, you just don't download it. This one here is cool. It has that watercolor vibe. We'll download that. This one exactly is cool too because we have space around. I like it when they have the space around so I can cut out the background, right? Same thing here. These are all good. And now we're about to take them into Canva so you can see how to remove the background and group this up in a way that they're actually downloadable for your customers. All right, so now we're going to jump into Canva, and I'm going to show you how to set this up in a way that your customers are actually going to want it, right? In a way that you can remove the background and make them a PNG file for download. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is come over here to create a design, right? Hit that button there. We're going to create a custom size, and so we're going to make it 3000 by 3000 pixel. And now over here, we're going to upload those designs onto the left side of Canva here. Hit the upload button. Oh, I just must say, like, I've been actually sleeping on Canva, y'all, because for years now, I've been just stuck on using Adobe Photoshop and all of that. But recently, I've been using Canva a lot more because it's easy. Like, man, you can do so much. The remove the background feature on there is amazing. There's so many things you can do on Canva, and I've been dealing with it lately. It's almost like I don't even go back to Photoshop anymore. So don't sleep on Canva, y'all. And if you can, get the full package of that joint and take advantage of it. So let's jump back in. I'm going to show you what we can do in here. So we're going to come into the upload button here, and we're going to upload all of those files that we just downloaded. So it's downloading. Each image is going to have its own page. So we're going to put an image on this page, and then we're going to remove the background and save all of these as one file. So they're all downloading now. We got this one right here. You see it's downloaded. And so once you put your image here, hit the edit photo button, come over here to remove background. All right, so we remove the background from it. They're going to go in there. They're going to remove all the backgrounds. So now this is a PNG image. We're good there. We're going to leave that. We're going to open another page, and we're going to keep going until all of those images are now in Canva and the background is removed. So everything is set up here now. Let's say now I'm ready to download this and create the link, right? I can go ahead, come to the share here. It's important once you're sharing this, come to download. Over here, make sure it's a PNG type file because you want it to have a transparent background. And I like to add that extra push by just hitting the transparent background there. And now you can go ahead and download this file onto your computer. All right, so once you download that file, the next step now is to go to Etsy. If you don't already have an Etsy account, create an Etsy account. All right, and then have those images ready to download. All right, so now when you got your images done to create the listing, you just come over here to Etsy, add a new listing, right? But because I already have existing listings, I'm going to just copy those listings and go on. But if you're doing this from the beginning, you'll come over here, you'll hit the digital file tab, right? You will say like, I created this, and scroll down, tell them, yep, it is a finished product. Where was it created? 2023 recently, and so on. Then you come to the bottom here, hit the continue button, fill in all the information here. The title is important. Title, you want to use what people are searching for, right? Maybe you can put those gold and white. You can make the title the gold and white Etsy thing that we did, right? So this could be your title, but you can see it's over at 40 because you need to add the comma, right? So all those things that I'm not an Etsy expert. I'm totally new to this. I build websites on Shopify, right? Yeah, I'm not an Etsy expert. I do a lot of my stuff on Shopify. I could literally sell this on Shopify as well, and you could do the same. So I recently opened up an opportunity to build your Shopify website for you. Okay, so if you have a brand or you want to actually start selling these digital products and you just don't know how to integrate that with Shopify, I can help you build your sites for you. All right. I've built sites for clothing brand owners, my own site. I sell products on there, digital products on there, physical products on there. And if you want to get that off your hands and let somebody else manage that and take care of that for you, go ahead, check out the link down below. Let's set up a call so I can build your Shopify site for you. All right. And the way it's set up, it is a fee, but you can also use Afterpay to pay this up in installment and get it out your hand. But we can build that store for you so that you are only focusing on marketing your business, telling people about your business, and leave all the tech stuff to me and the team. All right. So again, check the link down below if you need a Shopify store that is going to be clean and built for you. If you want to get some references of stores that I've built, I'm going to leave links down below to my Shopify store. You can go ahead and check it out as well. All right, so step by step now, that's how you would do it, from taking the idea from Etsy and saying, yo, I want to create this. I want to sell digital products, figure out what people want. So we figured out that people were searching for Christmas clip art at this time. So we went ahead into ChatGPT, and using the Dalle integration, ChatGPT was able to give us some exciting clip art, watercolor, that we are now posting on our Etsy shop for people to go ahead and buy. So if you found value to this video, man, let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. What will you be creating? And if you need this pack right here, maybe you say you don't want to even create none, you just want to download mine, I will leave the shop note down below. I know people usually don't do that, but I'm gonna leave the shop down below so you can go ahead and download it. For less than $2, you can have all of those. And we got some awesome bundles in there as well. So go ahead, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Go ahead, check out this next video right here that showed you how to actually use this ChatGPT feature right here. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.